Okay, today we are going to try a new way of practicing our Irish rhyme for the week, an nunnas an owl. So first, maybe you can repeat the words after me. Okay, I'll go first. An nunnas an owl leis, an nunnas an owl leis, an nunnas an owl leis, mo liathróidín down. Let me double check, okay. O love go love leis, O love go love leis, O love go love leis, mo liathróidín down. Timpeall mo chin leis, timpeall mo chin leis, timpeall mo chin leis, mo liathróidín down. Suas is san nuas leis, suas is san nuas leis, suas is san nuas leis, mo liathróidín down. Sias is san níos leis, sias is san níos leis, sias is san níos leis, mo liathróidín down. Okay, let's go over what those words mean before we do a little sing-along. I don't have a little brown ball, so I'm going to use ul beag darug. Okay, so back and forth. An nunnas an owl leis, an nunnas an owl leis, an nunnas an owl leis, mo liathróidín down. Then from hand to hand. O love go love leis, O love go love leis, O love go love leis, mo liathróidín down. Oops. Timpeall mo chin is around my head. 1, 2, 3. Timpeall mo chin leis, timpeall mo chin leis, timpeall mo chin leis, mo liathróidín down. Next one. Suas is a nuas leis. So suas is going up and nuas, it is up already. Okay. Suas is a nuas leis, suas is a nuas leis, suas is a nuas leis, mo liathróidín down. And then we do the opposite. Sias, traveling down, and níos means, what do you think? It's already down. So 1, 2, 3. Sias is a níos leis, sias is a níos leis, sias is a níos leis, mo liathróidín down. Okay, let's see if I can play the Bua Na Cainte track. It'll take me a few minutes to set this up, and unfortunately, I can't show you what it looks like, but I do know that I can share the sound. So you might take these few minutes to grab a little item that you can use to be your liathróidín down, the little brown ball, and you'll be able to join in with the actions. Okay, so just while you're looking, listen, there you have an nunnas an owl leis, that's back and forth. O love go love leis, that's from hand to hand. Timpeall mo chin leis, around my head. Suas is an nuas leis, and then the last one, sias is an níos leis. Okay, I hope you're ready to sing along. Here we go. Okay, Bran. Anonymous knowledge, anonymous knowledge, anonymous knowledge, my hero in that. Love, that's right. She sits and you slash. She sits and you slash. She sits and you slash. Molly rolling down. Okay. Hang on, we've got to listen to all this now, don't we? Where Bran takes a million billion years to a mocht lacht, Bran. No big finocht er an river. Go on, Bran. Slán go fóil.
Slán go fóil.
This is gas, lads. We're back to the same old problems. Okay. A mocht lacht as Mariavera a Bran. Is he gone now? Okay, hopefully. Anyway, I'll ignore him because I know you can still see me even though I can't see really what's going on. One more time, and you don't have to sing it, it can just be a rhyme. Anonymous and owlish, anonymous and owlish, anonymous and owlish, Mali roding down. O love, glove lesh, o love, glove lesh, o love, glove lesh, Mali roding down. Timpel machine lesh, timpel machine lesh, timpel machine lesh, Mali roding down. Suicide a newest lesh, suicide a newest lesh, suicide a newest lesh, Mali roding down. She is a near slash, she is a near slash, she is a near slash, Mali roding down. I honestly think, above all else, that you will try to be good at your Gaeilge. Learning lots of rhymes and lots of little songs is the best that you can do for your grammar. It sort of gets grammar and sentence structure correct and into your brain. You won't even know what's happening. There are some great resources to help with this. One is a CD and a book, a little green cover on it. It is called Rowley. If you're looking that up, it's R-A-B-H-L-A-I, father, and then that same word again. It's absolutely fantastic. Get it, throw it on in the car, have it on in the house. There's so much learning in that. And then there's a very old book. I'm not sure that there is a disc that goes with it. It is called Timpel on Tea. First choice for you guys, though, definitely is if you can get your hands on Rowley. It is fabulous. I have had a lot of good experience using that to really benefit students in class and at home. So, slán live. Been a long tan of as create na lei. Sin well.